Hello friends, welcome to my channel. By thumbnail and title, I hope you know about topic of video. So, in today's video I will show you that, how you can install Metasploit framework, without installing unstable repo. This is only for Android version, below 7.0. If your Android version is 7.0 or greater, then you can skip the video to the end. But, if your Android version is less than 7.0, then must watch this video, without skipping any part. Without wasting time, let's jump into a video. First, we have to create unstable repo. Manually. Let's do it. First, let's change your directory. To do this, enter command cd $prefix /etc/apt. And now type ls. Here copy source.list.d. And now enter cd space, and paste source.list.d. Type ls. Here you can see we have two sources of packages. Here let's create source of unstable repo. Enter command touch space unstable.list. This will create a file with the following name. After entering this, type ls. So, we have file of source. Now let's edit this file. For this, install nano package. If you haven't installed it yet, then type pkg space install nano. Type nano unstable.list. Here type the following words as it is. On the screen there is a mistake, so don't skip here. deb space https://dl.bintray.com/xeffyr/unstable-packages space unstable space main. This will subscribe you Termux to unstable repo. This is very important step. So don't skip. Copy these words as it is. Even a mistake of single spell can cause error. If you do any mistake, then you will not able to install Metasploit. Then don't comment about any error. Just kidding. So just watch these steps. You can use the following keys to edit this. Ctrl+F to move cursor forward. Ctrl+B to move cursor backward. Ctrl+S to save file. Ctrl+X to exit from here. So we have done. Now let's check these words. So, we have one spell mistake here. Let me correct this. After this, use Ctrl key to save and exit. First, press Ctrl+S to save file. After this, press Ctrl+X to exit. After creating and editing file, now again check for spellings. I'm again saying it's very important. To check spells, enter command cat space unstable.list. After it, check spellings again, make sure spells are correct. So, our spellings are correct. After checking, enter command apt space update. Now after all this, our unstable repo has been created successfully. Change directory to the home, enter command cd space $home. Now let's install Metasploit framework by entering pkg space install space Metasploit. After all this work, don't skip video, because I have few advices for you to install it correctly. Number 1. Storage. Make sure you must have free storage of 1.2 GB minimum in your internal storage. Number 2. Don't use mobile. Make sure there is no other background running app in your device. Number 3. Internet. You must have strong internet connection. Number 4. Android version. Your Android version must be greater than 5.0. So, if you follow these steps, you can surely install Metasploit framework without error. Must follow these requirements. If you don't follow the above mentioned requirements and advices, then you can't install Metasploit. Even don't think about it beyond that. This will approximately take 35 minutes. So, let's skip it to the end. Congratulations. We have installed Metasploit. Thanks God. Now let's check it by entering MSF console. It will take some time, so be patient. Wait for few seconds. So, successfully it has installed. Now what for Android version 7.0 or greater? To install Metasploit in those devices, you have to enter these following commands, one by one. Number 1. Termux-upgrade-repo. Number 2. apt space, upgrade space, -y. Number 3. pkg space install space unstable repo. Number 4. pkg space install space Metasploit. After entering this, wait for complete installation. There are few requirements to do this. Go back to this time of video to watch them. After all this now, must hit the subscribe button and click on notification bell as well. See you soon.